In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set keyword notifications in Slack 5 minutes. Keyword notifications make sure you never miss messages that matter. They alert you whenever specific words or phrases appear in channels you're part of, even if you weren't mentioned directly. Let's get set up together. First, log into Slack on your desktop app or in a web browser. Once you're in, look to the top corner of Slack and click your profile picture. This opens a small menu that gives you access to your personal settings. From that menu, select Preferences. Preferences is where Slack keeps all your notification, appearance, and accessibility options, and it's exactly where we need to be. Inside Preferences, head to the Notifications section. This area controls when and how Slack pings you. We're going to focus on a specific feature within it, so scroll down until you find the section labeled Channel Keywords or My Keywords, depending on your version. This is the place where you'll tell Slack which words should trigger an alert. Click into the input box and type the words or phrases you care about, separated by commas. For example, you might enter things like launch, status update, incident, or a project code. You can include multi-word phrases like design review or customer escalation. Just keep each one separated by a comma. Slack isn't case sensitive here, so launch and launch are treated the same. A few quick tips to avoid noise and get high signal alerts. Choose specific terms instead of broad ones. Avoid very short words that show up everywhere. And include variations if your team uses different shorthand. If your name is often used without the at mention, you can add that spelling too. And remember, these alerts apply to channels you're already in. They won't monitor private spaces you don't have access to. There's no save button for this. Slack usually saves changes automatically. After you've added your keywords, you can close preferences and continue working. From now on, when someone uses one of your keywords, Slack will highlight the message and notify you based on your existing notification settings. If you ever find you're getting too many or too few alerts, come back to the same spot to fine-tune your list. Add, remove, or adjust phrases at any time to keep the signal strong. That's all it takes to set keyword notifications in Slack. With just a few tweaks, you'll be notified about the conversations that matter most right when they happen.